vibes, ho.
Trying to look for your bike. Oh, is that him? Is that him? Is that Mark? Hey, baby! Hey! Yo! What's up?
Yeah.
How's it going, man?
Saddle, yo. Yeah.
Woo! Yo, I'm so excited right now. Let's go find somewhere to park.
Gonna head to.
Oh, baby. Is your license plate bent upwards a little bit?
This is how it sits.
Oh, okay.
There's like a plate underneath it that like...
Oh, so it's supposed to be like that.
Yeah.
You could run from the cops.
Yeah. Easily.
Oh shit, dude! I left my gloves. I left my. I'm not talking to you. I left my gloves in your house.
Oh shit.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Wait, okay. No problem.
I got a leather pack sack. Brand new. So it's $100. It's a pack sack.
We're good,
$20
bro.
Oh, it's okay. I already have a bag already. But thanks though.
Brand new. Leather is a tag, $100. Brand new.
And plus, it's Victoria's Secret.
Don't you have a girlfriend? $20.
We're all single, bro.
Yeah, sorry, I had no girlfriends.
Fuck you 10 times.
Sorry, bro. Take care.
Have a nice day, man.
What the hell?
I'll clear it all.
It's not too cold.
Yeah, it is.
It's not too cold. Yeah, it's kind of cold.
Oh, my legs are cold, bro. My ankles are.
Oh shit! I have to be wearing the leathers or else my legs would be frozen.
Oh yeah, same. Fucking gorgeous.
Oh my god.
It's so nice today.
I like how your license plate's just flopping around. You see that?
Hey, look at me, guys. I'm still here.
Ah, yeah. I heard the engine from somebody's mic.
That was me.
Ah, nice. Alright, Mark, you can lead again. I don't know where to go.
Monkey nose. Oh, holding hands.
You're cute.
Did you just say you're cute? That actually was pretty nice.
Feels like I just jacked off, bro. Fuck. Fucking arm, yo. My hand. My throttle hand, yo. I need to rest this shit, yo. Shit.
Well, this is a cute place to take a girl.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa! I've never been to this part. Maybe I'll fly my drone right here. Whoa. Look at all these H2O cells, molecules.
Bro, fly it, yo. Fly the drone and then land it in the water.
What the fuck? I think I'll do a soft pass on that.
Oh, I forgot to turn off my GoPro. Fuck. Where's that guy? Oh, he's still there.
Huh?
But my fat ass is walking him.
It's not fat, it's tick.
P-H-I-C-C.
Yep. My hands are cold. Holy.
Same here, bro.
It actually wouldn't be too bad if you like rolled up your motorcycle like all the way up here
Like
and then parked it right here.
All these sick photos like with the bridge in the back.
Yeah, like right here.
Yeah.
Then have that.
We do it.
Should we?
Will it actually fit though?
Oh, easily.
Yeah?
I mean, it's gonna be tight maneuver, but it'll fit.
Yeah, it'll fit.
Oh yeah, look at these sexy bikes. Damn, I forgot how nice this seat is. Look at this seat.
Bro. Yeah.
This will really hold you back when you're accelerating, I guess.
Yeah.
It wasn't too... Oh. Nice. Dude, if you actually got an exhaust on that, damn.
This thing sounds insane.
Yeah, it sounds like good stock.
So you take a turn, watch the mud there. Just try to stay on the gravel.
Okay. Where's the mud? Oh, okay, I see what you're talking about.
Yeah, you probably see my foot slip there.
Yeah, my front wheel just ran over it.
Yeah.
Dude, that's like a sick shot right here.
Right?
I'm gonna end the video. Wait, do it again. Wait, hold on.
If it's Yoida, then it slaps, ho.
That was good, that was good.